Brook Falls, your best bet would be to park at the Alpine parking area. You're gonna go south here along the Hudson, along this path. About a mile and a half, I would guess, to the Brook Falls. This first mile is wooded pathway. Then it turns very rocky. But it's a nice hike, beautiful hike. When we'll get to the falls here, I'll take you and show you a few videos. Falls themselves are beautiful. I would guess 100 feet. 3 cascades. We did it in flip-flops, not necessarily your best bet. All right, so here we are going along this rocky path. Gonna do about a mile and a half along the Hudson here to get to this waterfall. It's a decent hike. I think you can do it. What do you think, Seth? Is it a hard hike? But they can do it, right, buddy? If you can do it. And beautiful scenes along the way. Beautiful scenes.